The patient fell on his wrist. It's painful. He comes to see you. How can you suspect a fracture of, for instance, scaphoid bone without prior medical imaging? Well, let me give you a few tips and tricks. First of all, you have the swelling. Secondly, in your examination, you will find a capsular pattern. You will find the image of a traumatic arthritis. In other words, flexion is painful and limited, and extension is painful and limited. And when you try to go further, you're also going to detect a muscle spasm reaction. So, swelling, capsular pattern, muscle spasm. But there is another element we can discover. Perhaps in your examination, the passive radial deviation also increases the pain. And on top of that, palpation can also be helpful. So if you put all those elements together, then we have a suspicion of a fracture, and then it's interesting to refer the patient for medical imaging. So, enjoy the tips and tricks. Bye-bye.